Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started off watching Taslima Maya Art. After Tazzy, you have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. Alright, so today I'm going to do another split cup. I've got some colors out, and I'm just going to play some music and let you guys watch.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you, next to you, next to you. Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless. Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night is the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night is the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Maybe I need a break. Maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.
Okay, I am going to lift her up, wipe off the bottom. You know, you got to get the drips off the bottom. Otherwise, it'll keep pulling your paint off. And you won't be happy because it'll ruin and make your cells all wonky and stuff. And then I am just going to set this up on something. And I will bring you guys down for a close-up. And you guys can tell me what you think. All right, I will be right back. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. This one's with the light on, so you can see the real pretty shimmer. I think she turned out really pretty. The cells are really cool. It's just simple, just easy. I'm using up some colors, and it works. Swiping's fun anyway, so. All right, the colors are really super pretty. I think she turned out nice. All right, I am going to bring you back down with the light off and see what it looks like that way. All right, guys, here she is with the light off. Please tell me what you think in the comments. I love when you guys leave comments. I appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell if you'd like to be notified anytime I release a new video. There she is. I really think she turned out pretty. Up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. Then you have Sis Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And then the Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. So don't go anywhere. There's a lot left. I love you guys. Take care. Have a great day or night. And I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.